Welcome to our gardening channel. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of hollyhocks, a beloved classic in cottage gardens. These stunning flowers not only add beauty to your garden but also offer a rewarding experience when it comes to seed saving. Let's explore when and how to collect hollyhock seeds so you can enjoy these vibrant blooms for years to come. Before we get into seed saving, it's essential to understand the growth cycle of hollyhocks. These plants are biennials, meaning they take 2 growing seasons to complete their life cycle. Year 1, you'll see large mounds of leaves forming. Year 2, in spring, new growth appears, and by summer, the plants will elongate and produce stunning flowers. Pollination is a breeze with hollyhocks since bees love these blooms. After flowering, it's crucial to wait several weeks before harvesting seeds. Once the flowers fade, seed pods will form at the base. Here's what to look for. Color change. Seed pods start as light green and turn brown as they mature. Texture. They should feel dry and papery. Seed appearance. Inside, mature seeds are dark brown and arranged in a coin-like pattern. Now that you have learned when to collect seeds, let's go through each steps of collecting and storing seeds. Collecting seed pods. Wait for maturity. Ensure the pods are fully dry and brown. This usually happens in late summer or early fall. Harvesting. Use pruners or your hands to remove the pods carefully. It's best to do this on a dry day to prevent mold. It is important to remember that when it comes to harvesting hollyhock seeds, timing is crucial. If you wait too long, the seed pods may crack open right on the plant, causing the seeds to scatter throughout your garden. This is one of the reasons why hollyhocks are known for their ability to self-seed and spread easily. To prevent this from happening, it is recommended to keep a close eye on your hollyhock plants as they near the end of their blooming period. Once the flowers start to fade and the seed pods begin to form, it is a good indication that the seeds are maturing. By being proactive in harvesting your hollyhock seeds at the right time, you can ensure that they are properly stored and ready for planting in the following season. This practice not only helps to maintain the beauty and abundance of your hollyhock plants, but also allows you to control their spread in your garden. Remember, a little bit of effort in seed harvesting now can go a long way in creating a flourishing hollyhock display for years to come. After harvest, mature hollyhock seed should be allowed to dry further for at least 1 to 2 days. It can then be stored in a cool, dark place until planting time. Though growing hollyhock plants will require quite a bit of patience throughout the first seasons after planting, subsequent successions of this flower are sure to add old-fashioned appeal year after year. With patience and care, you can enjoy the stunning beauty of hollyhocks gracing your garden year after year. These classic flowers have been beloved by gardeners for generations, and by learning how to properly collect and store their seeds, you can ensure their presence in your garden for years to come. By taking the time to harvest hollyhock seeds at the right moment and store them properly, you not only save money on buying new plants each year but also play a valuable role in preserving these timeless blooms. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about hollyhock seed collection and storage. We hope you found this information helpful. If you'd like to stay updated on more organic gardening tips and tricks, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Happy gardening!